Our purpose. We tell our students that there is nothing more uplifting and noble than knowing. Simply knowing. You go where you're called as a specialist, or even an expert, sit at the table, and solve the problem. It all comes from your own mind, no notebook, no book, nothing. You're simply the best. Everyone looks at you with respect, and you deserve it, to be clear. Bravo to you. Now, looking at it from another angle, often people tend to overlook that this knowledge, even partially, comes from their teachers. Those well-known individuals who are delighted to impart what they know. Everything they know. They have no reservations, they keep nothing to themselves. That's their purpose, that's what they committed to. You go back years later and ask them, how does this work, and how does that work? They won't hesitate to tell you what the deal is, what the solution is, and where to start. They're happy to help you, and they're pleased that you remembered them. You move on, you figured that out too. Bravo to you. You knew how to proceed. Go visit your mechanics professor, your descriptive geometry professor, your thermodynamics professor, if they're still around. You'll notice they look pretty much the same as you remember them, just with a few more gray hairs and wrinkles. Ask them about entropy or Desargues theorem. You'll be pleased to see how touched and happy they are that you're consulting them. After some time, you have kids, you have a job, you have issues, you run into your teacher again. They look a bit haggard, they've aged so much, they sniff. How are you doing, Mr. Professor? How's life treating you? You'd like it to sound more sentimental, you'd like to be warmer, but it's cold, and the teacher has a runny nose. And you're in such a hurry. It just happened that you bumped into them today. Of course, if it were another time. I didn't mean for anything I said here to sound malicious. This is life, this is how things happen, this is how it's meant to be, we can't do anything about it. And this book is the proof. Regarding the teacher, nothing is hidden, nothing is set aside, everything is in plain sight, everything is an invitation to learning. This is our purpose. Professor Constantine Stancescu. March, 2005. In the preface to the book Modelar Parametrica 3D CU Mechanical Desktop by C. Stancescu, C. Parviu, and M. Matii, Fast Publishing, Bucharest, 2005.